What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, we are going over fall fashion trends that I love and fall fashion trends that I don't really love. So I have a list. I did my research. I found the most popular fall fashion trends for this year, 2023, and we're gonna go through that list. I think I have 10 different ones. We're gonna go through that list and I'm just gonna be brutally honest and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion. And that doesn't mean that if you like the trends and I don't like them that you're wrong and I'm right. We just have different tastes and it is what it is. So please take this video with a grain of salt. Don't take it personally. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first fall fashion trend that I want to talk about is cherry red. Literally anything. Cherry red, anything. I've seen monochromatic outfits, I've seen accessories like shoes and purse, I've seen jackets. Honestly, I have very mixed feelings on this trend. I feel like a purse or like boots, maybe a jacket I feel is cute, but I'm not obsessed with the monochromatic cherry red fashion trend. It's just not for me, honestly. I feel like it looks good during the winter, and I know like this is such a good transition trend from fall to winter, but I'm just here for like the accessory part of it. I feel like accessory, love it. I think it's so cute and more toned down, whereas the monochromatic look is just like you're all in red. And anyone who knows me knows that I'm not a color girl, so that's most likely why I'm not here for like the whole monochromatic outfit. But this is really personal to me. I feel like it looks really good on other people, but I feel like it's more a winter thing than a fall thing, whereas the accessories just fits more into the fall vibes. Next, we have the off the shoulder trend. I love this trend. It looks so good. I feel like it looks kind of like romantic and you just look kind of sexy and cute at the same time. I just think it looks so good, whether that be in a sweater form, dress form. I just think it is so cute. I really love the look for like sweaters and dresses, like the really chunky sweaters that are kind of like draping off the shoulders. So cute, and it just kind of shows off the collarbones, and you can have some really nice jewelry and it just looks so good. Like, I'm obsessed with this trend. This is a trend that I'm 100% here for, and I feel like this also transitions really well into winter. You can throw like a scarf or like jackets on top and you'll be perfectly fine, and then your outfit still looks really cute even during the winter time. So I love a good trend that like transitions well into winter, and this one definitely transitions well into winter. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of flat shoe trends like loafers and ballet flats. Loafers, I cannot get behind that trend. I don't like it. I really just don't. Like, I could never, and I feel like some girls look so good wearing the loafers, but like I could never. It's not me, and I feel like it's kind of like a grandma style kind of shoe. So like, yeah, I'm not here for the loafers, but the ballet flats, I feel like they look cute in certain outfits, not all outfits. I wouldn't purchase ballet flats myself, but I think the ballet flats are a lot cuter than the loafers. And I know you guys are gonna come at me for this. Like, I know loafers have been so big since last year, like such a big thing, and probably a lot of you guys that are watching probably have loafers, but I just can't. I can't get behind the loafer trend. And like, even the ballet flats, I prefer ballet flats over the loafers, but like, even then, I just feel like the ballet flats you could wear like during the summer as well and then transition into fall. I feel like you guys are gonna come at me so bad for this one, so I'm really sorry about it. It's just my opinion. Don't take it personally. It's just how it is. I'm just more of a booty type of girl in the fall. I love a cute little booty, Uggs, that kind of style, or like shoes, like a sneaker, a really nice sneaker. But like loafers and ballet flats, no. We're gonna stay in the shoe category. Next, we have clogs. I just can't with clogs either. I feel like they look like frogs on your feet. That's what I feel like they look like. I don't like the clog trend. I don't like these shoes. Just not here for it. I don't like that trend at all. All right, let's get into a trend for shoes that I actually like, because I feel like you guys are gonna come at me for all of what I've just said. So let's get into one that I actually like, and that is the UGG trend. I'm obsessed with it. It's the most comfy thing ever. It looks so cute in outfits, and I I love how I feel when I wear them. So cute and comfy and cozy and like casual. I'm obsessed. I love the mini ones, the ultra mini ones, the platform ones, the Taz ones, the Tasman. Like, I just love them all. They're so cute. Next we have Sambas, and Sambas, not a shoe that I would buy for myself, but I can actually get behind this one. I think it looks really nice. It's just not for me. I wouldn't personally purchase these, but honestly it does look good. I feel like they kind of remind me of the New Balance and like the dad shoe kind of vibe that we had going last year. That's what this year's trend is for sneakers, and I can get behind it. I think it's really cute for a majority of outfits. You just look cute, comfy, and casual all put together, and it looks like you put in so much effort in your outfit, but yet all you did was add like a cool pair of sneakers and your outfit looks put together. Okay, the next category is baggy denim jeans. I'm 100% here for that. I think it looks so good. I love that it's a mix of like the lower rise slash mid rise for jeans, but it's like loose, so you don't feel like all stuck. Whereas like, I don't know, like maybe 10 years ago when skinny jeans were in but like the lower rise was in, that was just not it for me. I could not, because everything was so tight. I just didn't feel like it looked flattering on my body, whereas this I feel like can look so good on like literally anyone. I feel like anyone looks good in a good pair of loose like denim, baggy denim jeans. So 100% I'm behind this trend. I think it is so cute. I love this. And again, cute, casual, comfy is just what I live for during the fall and winter. So love a good pair of baggy jeans. Next we have bomber jackets, which I feel like these were in style like not that long ago, or is it just me, like, or am I just like old and I can't remember like that this was in style only like 10 years ago? But I feel like it was so recent. But I love a good bomber jacket, and I love that there's so many different types of material that people are using to make these, and my favorite honestly is the leather bomber jackets. So cute. I love that it's not like a super tight fit, and it just like elevates the bomber jacket when it's like a leather bomber jacket. I love it. Next we have balloon skirts. So I really like the short balloon skirts versus the longer ones, and I've been seeing a lot of longer ones, but I just feel like for me personally, I don't wear a lot of like long dresses or long skirts. I don't like the long skirts on me, so I would personally go for the shorter ones. I just think that it would fit my silhouette so much better and would look so much more flattering on me. Just the shorter ones, and I found like this one from Aritzia, and I think it looks so cute. But I feel like that with like a sweater on top, or just like, I don't know, like a tighter fitting shirt, or like a vest, like the sleeveless vests that have been in trend like recently, would look so cute. So yes, 100%, but just not the long style. I don't like the long style. I would never wear that on myself. Okay, next we have any sort of leather outerwear that has that worn look. I love this trend. It is so cute. I feel like it just gives it that kind of vintage look, but at the same time it looks so like elevated, if that makes sense. But I feel like that's the vintage look coming through, the kind of worn out leather jackets, whether that be brown. I've seen like forest green or like olive green. I've seen black. I think I've seen like even navy blue, and I'm here for it, especially the brown ones. The brown ones are my all-time favorites. I love how the brown ones look. So stinking cute, and I just feel like this is just perfect. You just throw this on top of any outfits and it's gonna look so good, and you're gonna look so put together, and it's just a yes for me. I think it looks so good. And then last but not least is the sleeveless vest that I did mention a little bit earlier in this video. I am here for this. I think it looks so cute. I have a black one that I'm waiting for it to come in the mail that I'm so excited to try on, and it's kind of supposed to be oversized. Anyways, I'm hoping, because I got a size small, and if it's not oversized, it is out of stock, so I'm not going to be able to get my hands on it. But like Zara has some really good ones, Aritzia has some really good ones, and these kinds of shirts, or like tops, maybe they're not really shirts, so like tops, transition so well into the different seasons. I don't feel like this is a winter top, but easily a spring, summer, fall top. So yes, I'm 100% behind this. Out of all 11 of them, there are 7 of them that I'm 100% yes on, and then 2 of them that I'm like yes but it's not for me, and then 2 that I'm just like, no. So I think that's an overall pretty good score. Fall is my favorite season, so anytime it comes around, I'm always so excited to see what the fall trends are going to be. And I think this year we have some really good ones that are honestly not basic. I feel like they're very specific. Even the ones that I don't like, I feel like they're so specific and unique that when people wear them, even if it's just not my cup of tea, you're gonna look so unique wearing it. Like, I don't think that any of these trends are super basic, except for the Uggs. The Uggs are 100% basic, so yes. But the other ones, none of them are basic. So as soon as I'll see someone wearing one of the items from these trends, it's just gonna stick out to me versus blending in. So I think like we've got a really good list of trends this year for fall, and I'm so excited to see all of the different looks throughout fall. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
But I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay.